Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Okay, so yeah, this is becoming a real problem. Essentially, it is if you are on the Lyft platform and you decide to decline and recline after a few, they decide to kick you off.
After 2 or 3.
There we go. So you can see here comes the ride, and then all of a sudden you're online. Oh, wait, go online. What? How did you kick me off?
Is this happening to you folks? Like after 2 or 3 declines, the system is logging you out? Not logging you out, kicking you offline. And then you're thinking all this time, you're probably online and you're not getting any trips. And then you look down half hour later, you go like, wait a minute, I didn't turn the app off.
Yeah. We had that problem with them doing that, you know, a while ago, and then Uber was doing it as well too. But Uber was worse because after they would kick you off when you tried to sign back in, you couldn't go back on for like 6 hours, and then they're like, "Oh, it's just a glitch. We fixed it though. We fixed it." Now all of a sudden it's coming back on the Lyft platform. So
we know about
we all know that what Lyft and Uber do, the other one does pretty soon after. So. You know, I'm going to extend that. If you see this happening on the Uber platform as well too, let us know, because
I mean, there, you know, driver was kind enough to send me the recording, and I mean, do they have the right to turn your app off? Is that an independent contractor?
I don't think so.
I don't know what's going on with Lyft, bro. You know, one of my favorite people left Lyft. You know that, right?
Yeah.
His shit's going downhill, bro.
Was it because all that person was keeping everything together, or
no? But she was up there, and I'm like, seriously, all this stuff. I can't believe Lyft is doing all this stuff. Did they create that little dark room like it exists at Uber? That they created a little dark room with a bunch of people in it saying that how do we?
Or the greater conspiracy is that Lyft is just Uber with a different name.
Well, a lot of people say that.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, okay, turning the app off, that massive amounts of shaving on scheduled trips, those are not good things, Lyft.
Deceptive practice or breach of contract, depending on how you want to frame it.
Well, hopefully we'll fix those. Well, at least the scheduled trip thing is disastrous. Yeah. That's $80. That's a lot. That's a lot of money.
Just on 3 rides for one driver.
Yeah, just one single driver. Multiply that times 1 million drivers times, I don't know. You think Lyft would do 100,000 scheduled trips a day? Because they do 2.4 million trips a day. 100,000, at least 10% are scheduled trips, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, maybe.
Well, I'm sure it is, yeah. They love scheduled trips. It's a big moneymaker for them.
Yeah, you see why. Oh, we're gonna charge you. We're gonna charge you extra, and then we're gonna adjust the price.
Without the shenanigans. No, without the shenanigans. You know.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.